Hi there. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a cloth face mask with no sewing. So what I have here is two elastic and a handkerchief. So the first step I did is that I fold the handkerchief, then I fold again. Now I insert the elastic band on one end. I insert the elastic band on the other end. And I just fold the cloth in. I also tuck one end of edge of the cloth in here. And there you have it, the mask cloth material with no sewing. So here I'm gonna put the mask on this object here. See, it fit quite well. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Leave a comment below. Do you have any tips and tricks on how to make a face mask without no sew? Please leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I'll see you next video. Bye.